Hello friends, we're here today to do a little experiment involving weight. Right here I have a scale and we're going to measure some objects to see which one is heavier and which one is lighter. So remember those words, heavier, that's like when you're picking up a really big rock and it's really hard to lift, that's heavy. And then there's lighter, and that's kind of like when something's really easy to carry, like think of feather. Feathers are really light. So we're going to see which one weighs more. We have a little ball, a roll of tape, some ducks, got a toy car, a hole puncher, some scissors, some other giant cotton balls, a little person, and this big bag of leaves. So first, we also have this ball. So why don't we decide, we're gonna take one of these, this fluffy kind of cotton ball looking thing, and then we're gonna take this glass sphere. Now, which one do you think is going to be heavier? Do you think it'll be this one or this one? Let's find out. All right, 3, 2, 1. I think we have a winner. Which one's heavier, friends? That's right, it's the one that went down because it weighs more. So let's take these out. So we're gonna put this one over here because it's heavy, and this one over here because it's light. Next, what should we do? Let's try these two ducks. Which duck do you think is going to weigh more? The duck wearing the pink scarf or the duck wearing the blue scarf? Let's find out. 3, 2, do you have your answer? 1, and go. Oh, it looks like they weigh about the same amount. So, I think we're gonna put these two right here in the middle. Now, what about this orange ball or this roll of tape? Point to the one that you think is going to weigh more. Which one's gonna be heavier? All right, let's try it. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, the tape was so heavy it fell out and rolled away. So this one is lighter. We're gonna put it over here. And then this one is heavier. So we're gonna leave it over here with the heavy stuff. All right, let's set up our scale again. This time we have a little toy police officer and a toy car. Now, which one do you think is going to weigh more? Which one do you think is going to weigh less? Which one's going to be heavier? Let's find out in 3, 2, 1. It looks like, which one's heavier, friends? The car. So this car weighs more than this person. Now, in real life, what do you think weighs more, a car or a person? What do you think about that? So now, we're going to test this little hole punch or this big pair of scissors. Which one do you think is going to be heavier? Point to the one you think is going to be heavier. Now, why do you think that one's going to be heavier? Let's see if you're right. In 3, 2, 1. Would you look at that? These scissors are way bigger, but they don't weigh as much as this hole punch. Isn't that interesting? So the scissors are going to go over here with the light stuff. The hole punch is going to go with the heavy stuff. Now let's do this one. I got a big old bag of leaves. Do you think this might be our heaviest item? Let's find out. Let's take How about this little toy car? Now, what do you think is going to weigh more? This big bag of leaves or this little toy car? All right, let's find out. In 3, 2, 1. It was the tiny toy car. Is heavier than this whole big bag of leaves. It's probably because this car is made out of metal, right? And these leaves don't weigh very much, even all together. Put a pile of leaves doesn't weigh as much as a car. So that's all the ones we have for today, friends. I hope you had fun, and I hope you all were able to guess correctly, some of you. That's it for today, so have a good one, and maybe get a scale of your own, and you can measure your own objects around the house and figure out what around your house is heavier and what is lighter. Bye, friends.